Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to save a project as a template in Basecamp, right? So first up, open up the specific project. You can go ahead and click on it. And then once done, once you're on the project's dashboard, you can now go ahead and go to the three dots at the top right, click on it, and just click on Save as a Project Template. Click on it. Now go ahead and name this template, right? Maybe I'm just going to put in template right here. And then if you want to add in some descriptions, you can go ahead and do so. Also, if you want to include the people that is within this project, you can go ahead and add them. If not, just leave it blank. Comments as well, and the client's visibility. Okay. If you want to start fresh, untick everything right here and click on Create Template. Okay. There you go. It's done. Now, if you want to recover it, just go ahead over to Home. Maybe if you want to create another project, when you click on this option, the template that you just saved will be seen in there. Just click on it and just click on Start with this template. Also, you can go ahead and click on View Templates in here. And as you can see, YouTube tutorial template is here. When you go ahead and click on it, here you have the project's dashboard. Okay. As you can see here, we have the message board, but the only person here is me as the owner of this specific project. And if you want to as well, you got to click on edit. Right here, you can now go ahead and edit this project name. All right. The once done, hit on save changes. You can duplicate this one as well, or archive or delete. Okay. And there you have it. Let's say for this template, you wanted only message boards and to-dos. Okay. No other tools. Click on three dots, rename some tools right here. Close email forwarding, message docs and files, schedule, check-ins, card table, just to-dos and chats. Go back to the template, and there you have it. Okay. You can now then go ahead and click on Start a new project from this template. Okay. Do not forget about this button. Click on it and you should be good to go. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.